Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I want to do a video today that unfortunately some of my plants are not doing too good. I just did a video showing you guys how most of my tropical plants were doing really well. Some of the avocados and the mandarins especially had been doing really well, and thankfully some of them are still doing pretty okay, like this one. But I have started to see a lot of the leaves falling off in the past. This happened maybe about a week ago, and this one is looking really dire. So you can see a lot of the leaves have fallen off here. It's a bit hard to see, but there's a big branch that goes this way and then this way, and then two more that go this way and this way. And this one is still good. This one is still good, and this one has pretty much lost all its leaves, and this one is looking like really horrible. Like it's pretty much just completely dried out and brittle and dead. Like I'm pretty sure this is just completely dead. I might have to cut this all the way back. I don't really know. I'm gonna just wait for a little while. And I was trying my best to figure out kind of what was wrong. I kind of figured maybe it was getting dried out, but usually like when you don't water the citrus plants enough, the leaves will start curling up. So you'll start seeing them kind of like fold in like this and kind of curl. That's usually a sign that they're not getting enough water. If you're watering them too much, you usually get them to yellow, and they will actually yellow much more strongly than this even. And that can, obviously cause problems. But, I haven't really changed my watering pattern. I've been watering them about maybe, really like once or twice a week. Maybe every 3 days or so, every 4 days or so, and that hasn't really changed. So I don't know. I also thought maybe it was some kind of bug or some kind of infestation that was attacking the leaves, but I haven't been able to find any evidence of that on the actual stems or the in the pots or the mulch or anything. So it's a little bit strange. I don't know what's happening. The other ones are actually seemingly doing okay. So it's hard to see because they're kind of right next to each other, but this one's doing pretty okay. The leaves are a little bit yellow, but none of them are falling off. And I actually kind of panicked, I think, and started watering them a little too much maybe. So I think maybe that's why this one got a little bit yellow, but this one was a little yellow before even. So I'm not too concerned. And this one has lost a lot of leaves as well, but it's just not as in a bad shape as this first one that I'm showing you guys. So you can see this has been dried out as well, but thankfully not all the branches, and some of them are still looking good. But, well, a little bit dusty, but aside from that, they're still good. So I just really don't know what's happening. If anybody's got experience with this and you guys can help me out, and if you've seen something like this where it's literally, it looks like it's just dried out. But I've definitely been watering it, and I haven't changed the amount I've been watering it, so I'm just really not sure. It is hard to see kind of the moisture level with the mulch covering, the soil. So I mean, maybe I'll pull it back even now just to show you guys, but I really don't think it's too dry. Maybe I do need to water it more. What does, if anybody's got good experience with this. I'm set to water this today actually, so this hasn't been watered in about 3 days, and this is what it looks like. I mean, I don't know, it doesn't seem like this is drier than I've left it previously, but maybe it is just I need to water it more. I'm probably going to start watering it more often. Maybe I'll do an every other day kind of thing and just see if it helps. Hopefully it does, but if anybody's got some suggestions, then let me know. And I'd love to hear from people who are growing citrus indoors if you've seen this before. I mean, this is what it looks like right here. It's really bad. I'm losing the tree here basically. I hope the rest of it survives. Maybe I'll be able to trim this back. Maybe even in the spring, or when I can put this outside, I'll even trim the other side just to try to get it to be rebalanced. Weight-wise and things like that. But yeah, let me know if you guys know the answer to this. I'd appreciate it. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.